Gattu Chinky's tree house. Today, as Gattu Chinky wake up from the sleep, Mummy Papa get excited and say to them,
Gattu Chinky, both of you get ready quickly. There is a very nice surprise for you.
Yes kids, you both are going to be very happy to see this surprise. Now go, get ready quickly and come. Gattu Chinky cannot understand anything said by Mummy Papa.
What? But what surprise, Papa?
Oh, don't waste time kids. Get ready quickly. Papa sends both of them to their room. And Mummy brings their clothes and gives it to them. And in a little while, Mummy, Papa take Gattu Chinky and leave in the car.
Papa, now tell me, where are we going?
Just keep looking kids. This is a place where you both have never been till now. But you guys always wanted to go.
What? Gattu, look. There are no buildings or houses on this route. There are so many trees here. Yes, Chinky. This is such a nice route. By the way, Papa, how long will it take us to reach there? I think we are going to a very good restaurant. Or maybe to an amusement park. Kids, be patient. We are about to reach there.
In a little while, Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa reach a place in their car. There was a very beautiful gate over there. Also, there were a lot of trees nearby. Come Gattu Chinky, we have to go to the other side of that gate.
Wow, Papa. Is this some jungle safari? No, Gattu. Come, let's go inside. Okay, Mummy.
As soon as everyone goes inside the gate, Gattu Chinky meet an uncle over there. He says to Papa, Come sir, we will take you to your tree house. Hearing the name of the tree house, Gattu Chinky gets surprised and then say together,
What? Tree house?
Come kids, let's go inside. Then uncle takes everyone to their tree house. In the middle, Gattu Chinky also see a lot of mango trees, and also there were swings on those mango trees. While walking, Gattu and Chinky reached a big tree, and on top of it was their tree house.
Wow, what a lovely tree house this is. Gattu, look, there are wooden stairs with ropes to climb up this tree house and a slide to get down from it. This is exactly like a dream tree house. Yes, Chinky, you are right. We have seen such tree houses only on TV. Papa, can we go up?
Yes, children. For today, this tree house is ours and ours only.
Yay!
Then both of them quickly climb up the stairs to the tree house. And they go inside and look. They see that the tree house was completely wooden from inside. And there were wooden bunk beds as well.
Wow, this is so beautiful, isn't it, Chinky? It is an amazing tree house. Yes, Gattu. Everything has been fitted so nicely in it that everything has come in such a little space. Like these bunk beds and this table chair. Look, there are board games kept on it as well. Leave that, Chinky. Let's go down and slide and see the chalkboard. Yes, let's go, Gattu.
As soon as Gattu Chinky come down from the slide, in the meantime, Mummy Papa reach the top of the tree house and start looking for Gattu and Chinky.
Hey, where did Gattu Chinky go? They came upstairs only.
Yes, they did come. Gattu, Chinky, where are you both?
We are here, Papa. Downstairs.
Then Mummy Papa looked down from the window of the tree house and Gattu Chinky was standing downstairs and laughing.
Gattu Chinky, we came upstairs and you both went downstairs. Wait, Mummy. We are coming upstairs again.
Then Gattu Chinky both come back into the tree house. They were having a lot of fun doing this. That's when Papa tells them, Gattu Chinky, do you remember? When we were coming here inside, we saw so many mango trees.
Yes, Papa. And they had swings put in them too.
Yes, Gattu dear. Now we will go to those mango trees and pluck mangoes from them.
Oh wow! Then we will also ride the swings, Papa.
Yes, Chinky dear, for sure. And the canteen area here is also nearby. We are going to have dinner there too. So let's go then.
Yay! Let's go!
Then Gattu Chinky along with Mummy Papa go to the mango tree. But the mangoes were hanging very high
Papa, how will we pluck the mangoes? These are very high.
When I was small, my papa, that is your grandfather, used to take me around the village by carrying me on his shoulders. Come, Gattu Chinky. Today I will make you sit on the shoulders and you can pluck the mangoes.
Oh wow. Then you first make me sit on your shoulders, Papa. No, Papa, me.
Gattu, ladies first. So come, Chinky. First you pluck the mangoes. Then Papa takes Chinky on his shoulder, and by doing so, Chinky plucks 2 mangoes from the tree.
I got the mangoes, I got them.
Come, Gattu dear. Now it's your turn.
Yay!
Then Papa takes Gattu on his shoulder and he starts plucking the mangoes. But none of them knew that Mummy was secretly taking their photos from behind.
I have taken a lot of photos of you three while plucking the mangoes.
What? Okay, please show us what kind of photos you got.
Yes, see this?
We will also see.
Yes, come kids, let's see together.
Then everyone sits and sees the photos together. Wow, kids! Mummy has taken such nice photos of us. Come on now, let's all take a selfie together.
Yes, let's take a selfie.
Come, everyone come in the frame and say cheese.
Cheese!
After clicking the photos, Papa takes everyone to the canteen and they all have dinner there together. Due to excitement, both Gattu and Chinky finished their dinner quickly because they had to go quickly and sleep on the bunk bed of their tree house.
Papa, Mummy, you both have your dinner quickly. We have to go and sleep on our bunk beds. Yes, Mummy, Papa. I also want to see how it feels to sleep in the tree house. Let's go quickly.
Yes, kids, we are leaving. Just wait. Let me pay for the food.
Oh, kids, just 2 minutes.
Then Papa and Mummy also quickly have their dinner and reach the tree house. Due to the darkness, yellow lights were also lit up inside the tree house. So it was looking even more beautiful.
Come on, kids. Let's go up quickly.
Yay!
After reaching upstairs, Gattu Chinky quickly lay down in their bunk bed.
It is so peaceful here, Chinky. And it feels so good, right? Yes, Gattu. That's great. Chinky, this is like a dream. As if we are in a fairy tale, right? Yes, Gattu. You are absolutely right. Fairy tale. I am the princess of that fairy tale. And you are a monkey. What? No. Why am I a monkey? I am also the prince of a fairy tale, huh?
Then Gattu and Chinky start talking to each other. And while talking, no one knows when they fall asleep. Seeing this, Mummy Papa also start laughing. And then they also go to sleep.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.